8:39 in the morning, Sunday, April the 7th. I'm at the Hugh Ramsey Nature Park. It's a beautiful Sunday morning. It's not hot, it's not humid. Sorry, it's not hot. It's humid, but it's not cold like it was earlier last week. It's a bird's nest right there. I wish it would rain some more. Be different from last year's drought. There's some javelina right there. Quite a few of them. Oh, finally saw a rabbit. Been a long time since I've seen a cottontail. Oh, I don't know if you can see him. Right there in the middle of the screen. The cottontail. Camouflage with the leaves in the ground. He's out and about. First cottontail I see in a while. Never seen a snake here. I would like to see an indigo or corn snake. Oh, there's another cottontail right here. Ah, he went to the brush. There. Oh, there's two of them. The other one just ran already. There's one there. So I've seen 3 cottontail. There's a 4th one right there. Oh, smaller one, but he went into the brush. Really small birds, size of a sparrow. That was the Arroyo Colorado. Normally that's the route that I take. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take the longer path. I'm gonna make this into a 6 to 7 minute video. Another path that'll take you towards the Arroyo Colorado. Well, as I was saying, I've never seen any snakes here. I'd like to see an indigo or corn snake. Never seen. I've seen lizards. Seen a tortoises. Never seen big lizards. Right, I'm gonna end the video here.